So I'll be showing you how to turn on or how to enable vibration for messages on your iPhone 15. I have the Pro Max here, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. Go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll and find messages. Tap on that. And then under messages, tap on notifications. And then under notifications, go to sounds. And then go to haptics. And then choose the vibration pattern you want. I have these ones I custom created, which you can create your own if you want to. And then you have these ones which come with the iPhone, different vibration patterns. And then you have this one, which is the default vibration for your iPhone 15. So choose one of these, and that's basically how to turn on or how to enable vibration for messages on your iPhone 15. Now you can choose to have a tone or a notification sound together with the vibration or not. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.